Hello YouTube, iFixItAll here, Team iFixItAll. So this is what I meant by take the nose off. And then all I gotta do is grab my stool here. Just have a seat and move about. What are you falling for? Trim for the hood. Get back where you were. Yeah, I can easily get to everything in the front of that engine that I need to. Let's see, I had a little bit of a water leak. It's greasy and mungy, but it is what it is. I'm after a timing cover that resides right in this area right here. So I'll unbolt the accessory brackets and ratchet strap that to the right, and I'll unbolt this accessory bracket system that holds the alternator and my decommissioned smog pump, and ratchet strap it to the left, and then that should open up a lot more room in there for me. Yesterday we were talking about probable faults of why the timing would be off from that timing mark right there, the pointer. And it occurred to me, on the harmonic balancer or the crankshaft pulley, there's a keyway in the crankshaft. If that keyway sheared, then that would throw off the harmonic balancer's reference to how it shows me the timing marks. But I doubt that's the case. If you shear a keyway on your crankshaft, something else traumatic happened. But that's just an update. I was out here piddling around and decided to start breaking this thing apart and getting it ready for the things that I need to do to get a new timing gear set on. So hang tight for a second. Yeah, so this is a AutoZone timing gear set. Had it for a while as a backup, and that's the way they ship them to you. Got a rubber band taking up the slack on the timing chain. But this is the chain. This is the crank gear right down here. Suppose I could take the rubber band off. Hang on. Here we go. So there's the timing set, and if you have wear and tear, then you'll have a lot of slack in your chain. And I suspect I've got way more slack than what I'm demonstrating here on my knee. But you'll notice, well, take note, there's a timing mark. There's a little dot right there. See that little dot? I need something to point with. Okay, we're back. See a little dot right there. And it lines up with this dot right here. That's how this timing gear set would be installed. You would make sure that dot is lined up with that dot, and as a result, this being the camshaft gear, am I zoomed in? Hang on. Nope. This being the camshaft gear, the camshaft itself has a side gear that drives the distributor cap, and the distributor cap will it drives the distributor rotor button, And with these marks appropriately aligned, it will carry the distributor's rotor button appropriately to make it align with number 1 spark plug wire post. And that would essentially place number 1 piston at top dead center. When these 2 marks are lined up, then my timing mark on the harmonic balancer will also agree. I'll have a mark. The yellow mark will be right underneath the pointer. That'll mean that I was right and the timing chain had a lot of slack, but I'm going to verify that when I bust this thing open tomorrow. I'm going to knock off, but this is a timing gear set, and what I think happened was, let me pick this up. Flip this box over. Let me get this back in time. There we go. What I think happened was, let's see if I can get better light. That kind of doesn't work. Let's see if I can make that work. Yeah. So I've got my dot right here, lined up with my dot right there. And I think what happened is the crankshaft skipped a tooth. Now that would make a significant difference in where the pulley, the harmonic balancer, is located on the engine with relationship to the pointer for where we were checking time. Well, that's just a quick update. We shall see you later. See ya. Bye.